In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to work your E version of the ankle whilst using a towel. So firstly, E version of the ankle simply means to bring the ankle away from the midline of the body. So if this is my middle of the body and I'm bringing my ankle away, it just means pointing it out, okay? So what I want you to do is have a towel laid out. This works better with one of the really big towels as opposed to this medium-sized towel I've got here. And I'm gonna pop the foot on the outer side of the towel. My other foot, you'll notice, is off the towel, so it's not in contact. What I'm then going to do is I'm then going to pop my weight, specifically my hands, on my knee to make sure my hip doesn't get involved, because it's only my ankle that wants to be working here. So I've got the whole of my foot on the floor. I'm going to point my foot out and I'm not going to bring my foot off the floor. As I've done that, I'm then going to come back into my neutral position by lifting the foot up, and I'm going to repeat my repetitions. Now, once you've got to the end of the towel, you can either replace and do it again, or alternatively, you might then want to bring the towel into the opposite position and work the other side and bring it back and kind of do side to side repetitions where you're doing all one side, then you're doing all the other, and then you can even it up with regards to the reps. If you're just looking to work one side, pop it back to the position you started off with, and then continue your repetitions until completion. That's how to do ankle E version with a